Hi everyone, so this is Christine and today I'm going to show you how you can easily add an IG story or upload photos on Instagram using your MacBook. Okay, let's start. First, we have to go to Instagram.com. Let's wait until it's loaded. So if you want to suggest, or if you have any suggestions what type of videos that you would like for, tutorials, you can just comment that below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now here we go. Let us go. Once you logged in, you have to go to your profile. And there, this is my IG handle. You can follow me if you want. But if you don't, that's totally fine. No, I'm just kidding. So, yep, once you're on your profile, go ahead and right click and click inspect. And why is it taking so long? Okay, there you go. So you will be able to see a different interface of Instagram once you choose this icon. This is for mobile. See that? Now, once you click that, okay, some of you won't be able to see the menu at the bottom part of, Instagram, but all you have to do is click refresh. And let us go ahead and check if that works. Well, I'm pretty sure it will work. There. So you can now click this if you want to upload, but if you want to add an IG story, just go ahead and click the home button. And there. So click this and you'll be able to add your IG or it will give you, the pop out that you have to choose whatever image that you would like to add for your story. So let's try this one right here. Click open. Let's try to get, there you go. So yeah, it's just a typical, the normal process when you're adding stories using your mobile phones. So there, let us go ahead and try to add this to our story. So that's pretty much it. Now we will be able to check this one right here, and it worked. So thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you all soon. Have a great day.